The AI advisor is designed to provide an added level of market intelligence using an external AI service. If you have a subscription with Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini, you can simply add in your API key for that service and directly access higher level of market intelligence for either your own company performance summary or a general broad market intelligence. The AI functionality reaches out using those AI services and pulls in the latest external information to compare your business directly to industry averages, as well as pulling in market conditions. The AI analysis is defined by some user inputs that you plug in. Within the short term window, there's an option to look at a 3-month view or a 6-month view for trending information. The long-term view you can set to 6-month, 12-month, 24 months, or all months. The load type allows you to select dry van, reefer, flatbed, or all modes or all equipment types directly. And then you can set your profile, owner operator, small fleet, dispatcher. You also have an option to select how deep you want to go into your analysis, brief, standard, or detailed. And that's going to be the amount of content that's returned back to you. Do you want to include a forecast in that assessment as well? Simply select yes or no, and the forecast horizon, 30-day, 60-day, 90-day, or 6 months. To run the tool, you simply click the button, one click, and that's it. Here's an example of what the output looks like, the format, and the style. The first report we're looking at is the market intelligence. This is going to be the external market report. This will include the locations or the regions that you selected, your profile, and the equipment type as the predominant focus of the AI analysis. The My Performance analysis is going to be a little more summarized, and this is going to be specific to your own business as opposed to looking at broader external market trends. So this will allow you to basically let the AI summarize the information that you've entered into the tool and give you some guidance too where you need areas of focus or areas of opportunity that will allow you to run your business more effectively. I'm Donald Laverne. Thank you for watching. Keep on trucking and go make some money out there.